Hey, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jamie and I'm a wife and a mom of 3 and I live in Dallas, Texas. I have a 12-year-old daughter, a 9-year-old son, and a 2-year-old daughter. In this video, I'm just going to show you my Sunday reset routine, and I'm going to start out by just jumping right into a grocery haul. So we just did this huge grocery haul from Walmart. I'm going to try to go through it quickly. Excuse the noise from the dishwasher in the background. We have Sunny D's for the kids, Little Bites muffins, Lipton iced tea, the peach flavor, cinnamon rolls brands, Velveeta shells and cheese for the baby. She likes these as a quick go-to snack. A variety pack of chips, LaCroix water, it's the pure one, the one without any flavoring, Reese's Pieces cookie dough, French toast sticks for breakfast. Oh yeah, another thing of cookie dough. This is just regular chocolate chip. Some lasagna because I'm gonna be doing chicken Alfredo lasagna tonight for dinner. Swiss rolls, oat milk. I use this for like my coffee and my matcha and stuff. Apple juice for the baby. Lucky Charms. I thought I got regular Lucky Charms, but looking at the box, it's actually some birthday cake flavor. I don't know how that's gonna taste, but we're here now. So some cinnamon toast crunch. I got a ton of the sparkling ices. The Starbucks ones are my favorite. So I have the cherry flavor and then I have the strawberry flavor. Those two are the best. And then I also got some strawberry banana body armor, a half gallon of milk, some Nutri-Grain bars, strawberry liquid IV, blueberry bagels, 18 eggs, a carton of strawberries. Does anybody else's kids run through strawberries during the summertime? Just leave a comment below. Let me know I'm not alone or crazy. Parmesan cheese to go with my dinner that I'm gonna cook tonight. I have 2 different sizes of heavy whipping cream because I'm gonna be doing 2 different recipes this week and they both call for heavy whipping cream. Chewable Tylenol and some chewable ibuprofen for the kids. These are really good for like if you have like a little like a car pack or like some sort of to-go thing for the kids. They're good for like on the go instead of having to use like the liquid Tylenol or ibuprofen. Bar soap, the Kirk's Castile soap, it's only like $5 and you get 4 bars versus the Dr. Bronner's. They're like $5 each, so $5 for 4 bars is a steal, and they're both Castile soap. Corned beef hash, I got 2 cans of that. Margaret Holmes, the seasoned Italian green beans. These are the best green beans on the market. You literally don't have to do anything to them. Toothpaste, fabric softener, a few paper towels. I got a bunch of Roma tomatoes. Like I said, I have a couple of recipes that calls for those. Guacamole, I like to do diced Roma tomatoes and not guacamole, what is this, avocado. I like to do diced avocado and Roma tomatoes on my eggs in the morning. Some hot dogs, pizza rolls for the kids. You gotta have plenty of snacks for them being out of school. Some garlic for the lasagna. These breakfast pancakes. The pancakes and sausage, I like the blueberry ones. Well, I don't like them. The kids like the blueberry ones. This I actually got from Target the other day. I just haven't put them in the snack bin yet, so I'm gonna do that now. These are like the best fruit snacks that I've had. Some fruit roll-ups, chai latte, mozzarella, fruit cups, toaster strudels, some Go-Gurt, and the baby loves Bluey, so I got the ones with Bluey on them. Some Lunchables, OxyClean for stain remover, some turkey bacon. This is the only brand that I like, by the way, the Great Value. This is the only one that I like. Spinach, this is also for the Alfredo, the chicken Alfredo lasagna that I'm making today. Some parsley, this is for a different day. Some whipped cream, and then I needed boneless skinless chicken breast and some boneless skinless chicken thighs for the 2 recipes that I'm going to be making this week. And I forgot about the mochi. I have a strawberry mochi and a cookies and cream mochi. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. One of my goals for this year for the house is to get it completely organized. So I started with my pantry and I got a bunch of organizers from Target and Amazon and everything, and I got the pantry done, but we also needed to install a light in there because it was kind of dark, and then the shelves needed to be repainted really bad. So in the next video, I'll show you guys like a little before and after of what the pantry looks like. In this particular video, it wasn't done yet, so you won't be able to see the finished product. Only for life, yeah, only for life, yeah, only for life, let's get it. Hit that shoulder. I feel like since the kids have been on summer break, we have been running through so many snacks, it's a constant refill of snacks. So I'm starting to run out of ideas on what to buy. So can you please leave a comment below? Let me know what snacks your kids are eating right now, because we're not even a month into summer break and I'm already out of ideas. Keep it a whole one, don't got you, I got nothing. Run for my money. There is nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. Now looking back on this video, I can see how bad my shelves were and how in dire need I was of a new paint job on these shelves. So I can't wait to show you guys like the finished product in the pantry. But yeah, right now, just ignore it. Don't look at it, okay? It's just like one of those things where if you look at it every day, you don't notice it. Yeah, that's what was going on. Open the door by the way. Tell you that I'm on the way. I'm on the way. I know connection is vague. Pick up the phone for me, babe. Damn it, we jamming. That attitude for your nanny. Curving your hip from your memory. Remember, Gardena, I took the studio camera. I know Top will be mad at me. I had to do it. I want your body and music. I bought the big one to prove it. Look what you made. Told you that I'm on the way. I'm like an exit away. Yeah. I got these plastic bins from Target to store all of my extra overflow items. It's just to help keep down the look of that extra clutter in the pantry. Keep it a whole one, don't got you, I got nothing. I got everything put away now, so I'm just gonna start on these dishes. And y'all see Cash's tail over there in the corner. Anyway, so I have been trying to reduce my one-time use paper and plastic products. So I don't buy plastic cups or paper plates or anything like that. But I think for the summertime, I might have to go back to that, because having to clean the kitchen 2 or 3 times a day is diabolical. Like, who wants to do that? Like, it's insane. Like, I want to help the environment, but at the same time, am I really helping the environment if I'm running water to wash the dishes 3 times a day? I don't know. But moving on, we are going to just be washing my blanket that was on my bed. I try to do at least 1 load of laundry every single day. That way I don't fall too far behind, because with 5 people living in one house, yeah, like the laundry piles up real quick. So for all you pet owners out there, let me just put you on real quick, specifically dog owners. You know how they say it's best to give your animal fresh ingredients, things that you would eat yourself. Okay, so Fresh Pet charges $3.50 for 1 pound of chicken, brown rice, peas, and carrots. So why wouldn't you just buy the ingredients and make it yourself? So I buy the 10-pound bag of chicken leg quarters for less than $6. I get 1 pound of brown rice for less than $1, and then I get a bag of frozen peas and carrots for $1. Now, if you want to do Fresh Pet, that's perfectly fine. You're paying for convenience, but just know that you can do the same exact thing yourself for much, much cheaper. They just want to take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't want to see me find your love. They don't want to see me smiling back when they pretty, knowing I like you, thinking I die for you. Jealousy cry for you, do things when you want me to, like controller. Okay, so she already had 1 serving. That was her dinner for tonight, and then I still had enough left over to make 7 more servings. She gets 2 cups of food for dinner. So this is gonna last her for an additional week for less than $10. Now that the animals are out of the way, I'm gonna start on dinner for us tonight. Like I said, I'm doing a chicken Alfredo lasagna, and this is a recipe that I found on TikTok. I'll try to link it or put it on the screen or something so that you can see if you are interested. So the recipe that I used, she made lasagna rolls. I decided not to do the rolls because I felt like it was an unnecessary step and it was gonna take too long. So I just made regular lasagna. It was really good. It didn't take that long. It was not that much effort to make, and it didn't cost that much, so I recommend. When it came to seasoning my chicken, I did not follow her recipe. I just kind of did my own thing and used my own seasoning. So this is what I use. Go ahead and take a screenshot, whatever you need to do. And then I added a little bit of olive oil to the chicken and then went ahead and started seasoning it. See me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they After I pan-seared the chicken, I put it in the oven so it can completely cook all the way through, and then took the juice from the chicken so that I can use it to make my Alfredo sauce.
First see the city skylight shining from my room.
That is pretty much it for this video. If you made it all the way to this point, go ahead and leave a comment and let me know what this video helped motivate you to get done today on this lovely Sunday. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.